Masarap. Malasa to ha. Wait lang. Kuha ko seasoning. Salt. Yes, sana all. Welcome to food competition. Number 1. The appetizer. Cook now. Sir, ito na po. Masarap ng chicken. Ikaw, nabigyan kita ng na melted cheese with bread. Wow. Ikaw, masarap. Ha? Gusto mo? Ayoko. Number 2, man dish. Final. Alam kita, Granny. Tingnan natin. Ito po. Masarap ng apple. Tanggulo. Wow. Ikaw. Ha? Meat bread? Bakit ganito? Sige, try ako. Wow. Masarap. Hala. Masarap na ng meat bread. Look like a heaven. Yay! Winners no. Ha? Impossible. Gusto mo? Wow, so delicious. Are you will to cooking at that competition?